if vectors a and b are such that is magnitude of a vector plus b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector is equal to magnitude of b vector, then magnitude of a vector minus b vector may be equated to, here we are discussing about two vectors, that is a vector and b vector, and we have given condition of vector sum, that is a vector plus b vector, which can be written as equal to r vector. So we have given condition according to our question, we have given a condition, that is a vector plus b vector, that is r vector, and we are discussing about its magnitude is equal to magnitude of a vector and it is also equal to magnitude of b vector. Suppose these magnitude is a. If we see, if a vector plus b vector equal to r vector, then magnitude of r vector, or we can say magnitude of a vector plus b vector, is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. So we will use this in our question, that is a vector plus b vector whole magnitude, or which can be written as magnitude of r vector equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. We can easily find angle between these two vectors with the help of this formula. So magnitude of a vector or magnitude of a vector plus b vector are equal, that is a. So we can see a is equal to root of a square plus a square plus 2 times of a into a cos theta, because magnitude of a vector and b vector are equal to a. So on further simplification, we will get a square equal to 2a square plus 2a square cos theta, that is written as 2a square cos theta. So we can take 2a square common from here, and in bracket we will get 1 plus cos theta, and on left hand side it will be a square. On further simplification, we will get 1 by 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta, or cos theta can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2, and according to our table, this value of cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2 is obtained when angle between vector is 120 degree. So if we draw vectors which are at 120 degree to each other, will appear like this. So angle between these two vectors are 120 degree, that is a vector and b vector, and angle between these vectors are 120 degree, a vector and b vector. Now on further, we have to find magnitude of a vector minus b vector. So for solving this, we will use a formula, that is given as under root of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos of angle between a vector and b vector which are being subtracted, that is a vector and b vector. Now using this, we will get root of a square plus b square. So in place of a square, we will write its magnitude a square, and b square magnitude is same as a vector, and further simplification we will get, that is minus 2ab. So we will put magnitude of a vector and b vector here, and cos of theta, and theta is coming out 120 degree. So on solving this one, we will get, that is 2a square minus 2a square, and value of cos 120 as we have discussed earlier, that is minus 1 by 2. So on solving, we will get root of 3a square, or we can write it as root 3 of a. So a is the magnitude of vectors, so it can be written as root 3 times of magnitude of a vector. So this is the result of magnitude of a minus b. So final answer of this question is root 3 times of magnitude of a vector. Thank you.